Welcome to the Home Designer Quick Tip. We'll be creating a loft within our Home Designer Pro software today. So within our Home Designer program, I already have our floor plan open, and today we'll be working within this tiny house design, which is a story and a half. So let me get out of our 3D view, and I would like to open up a different camera view. This time I'll use our full camera. So I can click and drag so we're standing in our room. So right now we have a full ceiling over our first floor here, and this is a bit tight here. So I do have a little trick that I like to use, and I'm going to tile my views vertically so we can see both the floor plan and the 3D view. Just click and drag that tab. So I need to move my camera back a bit. Since we have a wall here, I'm going to change that to an invisible wall. I'm going to single click on that wall and it extends through the entire design there. So let me break it. We have a break wall tool where I can single click in that intersection, and then I can open up just that specific portion of the wall and then single click on invisible. So now we can bring our camera into that other space. So now we have a larger view, kind of enables us to see a little bit more in this tiny house here. To create our loft space, I'll be going up to our second story. So in our floor plan, I'll just go up to story 2. And right now it's all just one room. So let's use our railing tool and define a space for the open below area. And I'll just click and drag out my railings. You can also single click on a railing and dimension that, so maybe we'll move that to 7.5 feet, give us a little bit more living space up there. And now I can single click in that room, open that for specification, and underneath that room type, I'll change that to open below. So now that will cut our floor platform for us. And let's create an opening in our railing. So in that floor plan, I'll select our door tool and our doorway. And let's just drop one in here. And I'll just use the editing handle and resize the opening a bit. And with our tiny house, since there's not a lot of space for a staircase, I'm going to place a ladder. Let's go back down to that first floor and get into our library, and I'm just going to search for ladder here, and I'll select a ladder and just drop it right into my design. So now I need to visually see where that opening is in my floor plan, and through our tool drop down we can click on our reference floor display so we can see where that opening is on that second floor. And I'll just rotate our ladder and move it into position. And in our 3D view, I'll single click on that ladder and resize the height of that. And I wanted to mention one more thing. I'm just going to close out of that library and turn off our reference display. So within our new room that we have on our second story, I'm just going to open that up quickly here. Since we did create a new room, it will default to all of the structural specifications of a new room. So I need to get in here and uncheck ceiling over this room, so our ceiling will follow the roof plane like the rest of the loft. So very quick and easy to create your loft space with a simple open below room specification. And over on our homedesignersoftware.com website, you can learn more about our home designer programs and find a free trial version to work with the program yourself and create a custom loft. You can also search for additional help resources right through the search bar. And here's another help resource on creating that loft space within our software. So check out all of those additional resources right through our website. And thank you for watching this quick tip. Have a great day.